What you got there?
Oh, you know.
What happened?
Just a broken ankle. Yep, that's right, dudes. I broke my ankle. I can't believe it. I still can't believe it. Especially how, like ultimate frisbee, could have been like football or something. I walked after I broke it because I was like in denial. I was like, nah, it can't be broken. So I walked to the hospital. Well, I walked to my car, then I drove to the hospital all by myself.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Good thing it wasn't a stick.
Yeah.
The Corolla?
Oh, I know. If I was driving the Subaru, there would have been no way.
Well, all right.
Yeah.
Well, I just hope I don't step on your foot or something.
Oh, you're all right. I'll just keep it up on these parent boxes. Thanks, parent.
All right, guys. We got into a little roadblock here. So, Casey, why don't you just explain what happened here and what you have in your hand?
All right. So remember how the middle nut was loose when we took off the heads the first time? Somebody messaged me on Instagram and they said, you know, the nut probably wasn't loose. It probably was the stud. And I believed him. I just kept forgetting to actually check. And when we go to put the head on the driver's side, the middle head stud would not tighten down past 30 foot-pounds. And that's obviously a sign that the head stud was actually loose from the block. And sure enough, we pulled it out, and those are the threads from the block on the head stud. So the head stud ripped out the threads from the block. So this isn't the first time this has happened on this block. When I first got this block built, one of the other side thread studs came loose like a couple weeks after I got it, and I had to take it back, and they put a time cert in to fix it, and that was on the passenger side, which the passenger side obviously tightened down fine, as you saw in previous videos. So I'm looking at probably doing another time cert. So time cert essentially is you just drill it out, put in a fitting, a bigger size fitting that has external threads, screws into the head, the block, and then it has the original diameter threads for the stud, and you tighten that stud into the time cert. It's either that or like an oversized head stud. I think you want to stick with the original dimensions of the head studs, so I think a time cert might be our best bet on this one. But we can't do anything until this is fixed.
Yeah.
So it was never a head gasket, guys. It was a fucking head stud. Ain't that some shit? These are ARP head studs too. It's just the fucking soft threads in the block, I guess. I don't know.
Yeah.
First I break my ankle, now this shit.
Yeah.
I give up.
No.
Just kidding. Never give up. We'll move past it. We will get this fixed, and we will fucking build this block. It's gonna happen, all right?
Yep. Then once we get the head on, we're also going to check for valve lash. I know one of you guys commented down there, so that's going to be done also. So
Yeah.
a lot of other things that we're putting on there, or that we're going to do.
Yeah.
That's for the block, right?
Yeah, these are the threads that were inside the block. You can look inside the block, but you probably couldn't get it on camera and see that there is no threads in the block at all.
There isn't. I tried looking.
Yeah. So yeah, this is shitty. But it's all right.
Hello?
Hey man, what's up?
Hey, Casey, what's going on?
So yeah, what I was thinking, I want to do, I guess, a time cert on it.
Yeah, it's the best way. It's if you do a little bit of research, as I did a couple of years ago, it's supposed to be like 30% stronger than a Healy coil, and you have a lot more thread length on it.
Okay. When do you think would be a good time to bring you the engine and I'll try to just bring the engine to you and get it done and bring it back, and maybe.
Yeah. Well, it shouldn't take me long. It should only take me about an hour to, get it all taped off, cleaned up, measured, and everything's set for it.
So I gotta go to the hospital on Monday for my ankle. I broke my ankle.
That's not good.
Yeah.
Monday I'm busy. I'm taking the race car out in Everett. Any
All right. Yeah. So I mean, just any day other than Monday.
Yeah.
All right. Sweet, man. Just let me know, and then I'll keep you posted when I can get some time off. Hopefully Tuesday though.
Alright, sounds good, bud.
All right. Thank you, man.
No problem, bud.
Later. All right. So Tuesday, guys.
Here it is. Drop something.
Yeah, I know.
Well, good luck picking it up. You're on your own.
Drop.